Take a ride in the 2018 Audi SQ5. The Audi SQ5 does things you'd never expect from an SUV. The SQ5 has impressive acceleration and comes with a top-notch interior and sporty handling. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system, security system, compass, electronic stability control, power windows, trip computer, heated front seats, rear window defroster, remote keyless entry, tachometer, power moonroof. Come take a test drive today.